It's classy, maganda siya. Yung lugar, yung environment, it was a very great experience. Very accommodating yung agent namin, si JM. Until land, because nakita ko yung gawa ng mga bahay. It's classy, maganda siya, not in a very shouty way na, very flamboyant way naman. Pero maganda siya, yung lugar, yung environment, yung build ng mismong bahay, nagustuhan ko siya. So, that's why I went with that. With J. Banilla Realty, it was a very great experience because very accommodating yung agent namin, si JM. And he's really concerned with what I wanted for our family. Kasi syempre hindi lang naman kami nag-purchase ng bahay as bahay. So we'll live in this place for 20, 30, 40 more years. So sinabi ko sa kanya yung mga gusto ko, sana sa unit and sa environment and all that. And he was very, very helpful. Talagang yung decision-making process ko, kasama siya. Siyempre, as a homeowner, may mga mga options ka, ganon. And JM really helped me make the right choice for our family. So, yun. Very thankful.